Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to elevate your Godaddy website through their website design service. Whether you're just launching a new site or looking to refresh an existing one, Godaddy's design services can provide a sleek and professional finish with minimal effort on your part. Let's dive into the process and discover how easily you can transform your website and enhance your online presence. First, open your web browser and visit the Godaddy homepage. Once there, you'll want to sign into your account by clicking the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed. After logging in, navigate through the highlights found at the top or along the sidebar of your dashboard. These highlights will guide you to the website building section, streamlining the process. Keep an eye out for the Website Design Services option, typically found in the main menu or under a subsection of Website Services. Clicking on this option from your account dashboard will present you with more detailed choices to consider. Godaddy offers a range of services, from simple designs to more complex and customized solutions, showcasing their expertise in website redesign. Next, you'll have the opportunity to choose the type of website you want to create. If you're looking for a basic setup, the standard website option provides essential features to get you started. For those seeking additional features and intricate designs, the premium website option might be ideal, offering advanced customization and added support. If you're planning to set up an online store, the Premium Web Store package includes e-commerce functionalities perfect for expanding your business online. Remember, each option comes with its own set of features, so choose the one that best aligns with your business goals and needs. Once you've made your selection, follow the prompts to provide any necessary details and initiate the service. Then sit back and watch as your Godaddy website transforms into a polished and powerful online presence. That's it for today's guide on enhancing your website through Godaddy's design service. I hope this walkthrough has been informative and has inspired you to elevate your website to the next level.